Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. It's a 4-hour chart of GBPUSD, and my dear friends, if you're a GBPUSD lover, then you can clearly see on the chart that GBPUSD in a range right now. There is not much movement. In fact, this is not only with GBPUSD. In fact, this is happening with almost all the USD pairs. If you look at a chart of gold, if you look at a chart of Euro USD, you will see a similar picture because dollar is silent. Why dollar is silent? Because market is waiting for the two big events of the week, that is FOMC on 2nd Feb and the NFP, non-firm payroll on 3rd Feb. Maybe market is silent, market is waiting for a storm, but yes, market will show some crazy volatility. Today and tomorrow, market may remain silent, but during the events, please be careful. Beginners, new traders, please use proper stop loss and do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay. And this is a chart of DXY. As we know it very well, that DXY or US dollar is under the dominance of sellers, but we noticed a very important thing couple of days ago, and it was the falling wedge pattern on the chart of DXY. And falling wedge pattern is a trend reversal pattern. And I also told you all that there is no fundamental factor that will push the market up, or there is no fundamental factor that will bring a trend reversal on the chart of DXY. And for any market, whether it is stock market, forex market, commodity market, for a trend reversal, we need a news, we need a fundamental factor. And to be honest, we don't have any news on the chart of DXY yet, but still we saw market forming a falling wedge pattern, and we can also see that market is out of the wedge pattern. So slowly market is trying to, or DXY is trying to recover, right now standing at 102.22. So this week will be very important. If the recovery continues, then yes, we may see some temporary recovery on the chart of DXY. And if it falls below 101.25, then obviously the market will continue falling and DXY will be heading towards 100 level. Okay. And if you look at the news, then you can see dollar set for 4th monthly drop as Fed meeting looms. So market is considering that dollar will fall. But in my experience, I have seen that don't be too confident or overconfident regarding a news, because market is full of surprises. My dear friends, capital protection should be your first priority, so do not gamble. Okay, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Wait for the news, let the news comes out, and then you see the market reaction and then place the trade. That will be much safer thing to do. Okay, now let's have a look at the chart of GBPUSD. As GBPUSD is trading in a range, so obviously the levels we have discussed in our previous videos are still the same. Okay, if GBPUSD breaks also, okay, if GBPUSD breaks also this temporary support, that is 1.2338, this is the temporary support right now. I'll say that instead of going for a sell position, wait for the market to come down to the next support. Today, I have already discussed in my videos of gold and Euro USD that in a market condition like this, when we do not have much volume, much volatility, you should always try to avoid. You should always try to avoid breakout and breakdown trades, because for a breakout or breakdown, market needs volatility, market needs volume. If market does not have volume or volatility, then it usually leads to false breakout. So if market breaks also this temporary support here, okay, if you're an experienced trader, then you can go for a sell position. That's your personal choice. But if you're a beginner, new trader, you do not have much capital right now, then you should avoid taking a sell position below this level, because it can be a little bit risky. And in a market condition when we do not have much volatility, the trading strategy is very simple: buy at support, sell at resistance. And in my previous videos, I have clearly mentioned the support levels. You can clearly see on the chart also. The first support is 1.2300, and we have derived this support with the help of Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level, as well as previous price rejection around this area. The second support is 1.2265 to 50. Fibonacci 50, and then we have 1.2220 to 1.2200 level, this level. Okay, and this is the Fibonacci 61.8% retracement level. In my previous videos, I have clearly mentioned that on the chart of GBPUSD, especially Fibonacci 50 and Fibonacci 61.8 plays a very beautiful, whether it is support, resistance, doesn't matter. Okay, it does the job. Okay, it does the job. So if the volatility of the market remains like this, then you can expect the market to take support from 1.2300, 1.2303 or 1.2298, around this level. In case market breaks it also, if market breaks also this particular level, no need to sell, just wait for a market to come to the second support, because the second support is very strong, third support is also equally strong. So these two supports are quite good. Right now, if you're thinking to place a buy position, okay, on the basis of this trend line, okay, personally, suggest you to avoid any buy position. Okay, but before I proceed, my dear friends, I would like to mention that only 2 days left for the workshop, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. Okay, my dear friends, I conduct this workshop after every 1 or 2 months. Okay, so the next date is 2nd, 3rd and 4th of February. If you really like my work, if you really want to take up your trading to the next level, you can consider joining the workshop. The link is in the description, and you can see that all the details are mentioned here. It's a 3 days workshop, 2 hours every day. Okay, so everything is mentioned on the website, and most importantly, I have also laid down some questions so that you can understand whether the workshop is useful or not. Okay, if you can see that your questions or your problems are not mentioned here, then you can just leave it. But if you can see that yes, your problem will be dealt here, then you can definitely join, because I can assure you that after the workshop, okay, your trading will see a new part, because after the 3 days workshop, you'll also receive a support for 1 month, which is a very good thing, I think so. And I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. Join the Pro Trader program. It's a part of the workshop is part of the Pro Trader program. Okay, so you should give a try. Okay, now let's have a look at the chart of GBPUSD again. So these three are support levels. Clear? Now, if market goes up, okay, if market goes up, then we have resistance at 1.2430, 1.2450. But here you can also see that I have mentioned here liquidity, means this level has become very common in the market. So next time, if market goes up, observe the market around this area, because we can see that market has already tested the level 3 or 4 times. So next time, if you see a clear trend reversal, if a clear reversal, then you can take a sell position immediately. If you see that market has reached the resistance zone, market is unable to cross the resistance, market is showing price rejection from above, you can definitely go for a sell position. But in case if you see market is going for a breakout, okay, in case market is going for a breakout, then that's a catch. Immediately look at the chart of DXY. If you see that DXY is going down, DXY is crossing the support and falling, then you can go for a buy position. But if you see that DXY is silent, but GBPUSD is going for a breakout, then please be careful, because this can be a stop loss hunting. So be careful if you see a breakout. If market reverses, then you can go for a sell again. But if you see a breakout, wait for some time and see how the market is doing. If the DXY remains silent, then there's a high chance that market will go for some stop loss hunting and reverse again. And if it reverses, you can go for a sell position. If the breakout is real, and if you miss the opportunity, then wait for the market to pull back or retracement, because no market in the world go up in a straight line or go down in a straight line. Market will come for retracement, and that will be much safer thing to do. Okay, hopefully got my point. This is it. Bye bye. Take care. Wait for the market to come to you, or do not chase the market, and bye bye. Follow proper risk management. Take care.